When it comes to immunization requirements, many parents are taking a different approach to it. Our Jose Alonso joins us in studio. And Jose, you spoke to a lot of these parents out in the community today. What have they been saying?
I mean, they've just been talking to me about the vaccinations, and I spoke with two Tyler moms who say as Texans, they are doing what they believe is best for their child's health. From one following the guidelines to the other using their right to be exempted. This is what they had to say.
Whatever works for your child. That's just how I feel about it.
Tyler mom Lamisa Alvarado took her 4-year-old son to the Burkeville Park splash pads to enjoy the last days of summer vacation. Her 10-year-old daughter was not with them, but Lamisa says she's gone through the process of getting her state-required vaccines for school.
We don't know what these other kids have been exposed to or what other country they may have came from. So I think it's very important to have those shots to prevent them from getting other diseases and illnesses as well.
According to the Texas Department of State Health Services, certain vaccinations for diseases like measles, polio, and more are required by law for students. NetHealth is making it convenient for parents to get those immunizations.
Our main push, our main emphasis is making sure that students of any age are able to get updated on their vaccinations, whether that means going to your personal doctor, going to your pharmacy, coming to NetHealth, or going to any community clinic.
The department says vaccine criteria isn't based on grade level, but rather a child's age.
If you have a middle school child that is going to turn 11 within the next couple of months, you can go ahead and get them vaccinated, get them ahead of the game for the following school year.
Since we live in Texas, the state also allows exemptions for students whose parents choose not to get them vaccinated. Tyler mom Rena Fraunfelker has gone through this process by filling out the proper forms on the state's website.
You don't have to give any reason. In the state of Texas, it's still parent choice, so you don't have to divulge the reason why you don't want to vaccinate. It's completely private. She
says their healthy lifestyle and law requirements prevents her from worrying about not getting immunized.
The school, if we are not vaccinated, if there's certain things that there's an outbreak of, they're required to have my children stay home.
Both mothers have different approaches to the required vaccines, but one thing they had in common was not showing support for the flu or COVID-19 immunizations. Both are recommended by NetHealth, but are not required for students by law. Reporting in studio, I'm Jose Alonso for CBS 19. Jesus, back to you.